Good pass. Čančar dump it, get it back, put it away. They'll give and go.
Yep, you see, as soon as he threw it, he got cut.
Here in the first half. 2:40 to go. Howard's on the run. Čančar. Dribble drive in the lane. Yes! And a foul. And Vlatko getting some fives from the bench.
Tell you what, you get a young Vlatko, the same thing. Career high last night. Let me get it and one. Nuggets by
7. Kevin Johnson in that year, April 14th, a span of 15 games. Nikola Jokic, 16th on the season. As Vlatko scoops it up and in. Now Hayes with it. And
steal.
Intercepted by Vlatko in a row for the first time since 2012. Pass, great pass on the bounce, and Vlatko call.
Now, we talked about bigs making good passes before the game, and there's another one by Jamichael. Right through the wickets, as you would say, to Čančar.
Howard. And Vlatko with a follow, missed it, put it up and in. A little look away fake.
A look away head fake.